The audit log feature is going to show up in two main areas. The first one I want to show you is under a user. When you go to a user and you click edit, you'll now see a new section, a history section that's very similar to the history that we've been adding to other areas of the app, like job ticket, jobs, job products, job product rates, and so forth. So under here, you'll now be able to see when things have changed with this user. You'll start to see when they've signed in, where they signed in from. You'll be able to see if there has been any name changes or email changes, any role changes, for example, and their last activity date. So this will be a good, helpful functionality for you to investigate or just see the changes on a user. The other main area that this is going to show up is for every user, you're going to see an audit log. And by the way, audits can only be seen by company admins, not by anyone else in the system. So for this user, we can click this audit log. And at first, you're going to see no data for your users. This is because we just started tracking this on November the 5th, 2025. So don't be alarmed if you see anything blank, but you will start to see data flow in as we move forward from that date. So let's give an example. I'm logged in as this user over here, and let's go edit the job. And let's change the contract type to a composite. You can also add a note. Let's update the job. Now let's go to products and let's click edit. And let's change the landowner rate to 30. And then we'll go to loads and let's edit a load. Let's change the driver and we'll change the tonnage to 26. Okay, now let's go back to my admin account. And if we refresh this page, we're now going to see all three changes that we just made. We added a note, we changed the job type, we changed the rate on this job product distribution. By the way, you can also easily navigate to that same section. And on the ticket, we changed the volume. And of course, changing the tonnage, the gross weight also affected the other weights on the ticket. And we changed the driver. So this will give you a very detailed ability to see version history on certain resources in the app, and also give you a quick idea about who is changing what. Again, you have a few filters here. You can just focus on distributions, which are rates if you want. You could just focus on jobs. Okay, that concludes the two use cases. You can see history under a user. You can also see an audit log for a user. And that is also going to be, in addition to your company users, you're going to be seeing that under your vendor users. So the same exact functionality will exist. You'll have an audit log for your vendor users. And if you click on edit, you'll also see a history as that history gets filled in for a user. And the same thing for customers. If you have customer users, then you will be able to see audit log and a history for each user that you've added to your customer list. So we hope this feature will give you a lot more insight into the history and what's being updated and changed in your system. Please let us know if you have any feedback.